I'm back. Sorry for that, guys. Just if I didn't message back, he would actually just spam me. Bad enough without me. Get markers all day long. Looks like we're going to lose this round. The commentary we cut out back fast forward because I can't actually fast forward the commentary. Because my voice will move later. So, doesn't like to speed it up. Come on guys, come on. Damn it. So that's the first round done. Hopefully this recording doesn't actually get mixed up with the intervention one I had. Oh, that'll be super nice. Going, nearly had the quad there. I'm definitely getting an extended match and I get this gun to FNJ and 40 kills with it. Definitely. The amount of power this has got, phenomenal. You can't really go wrong with this gun. First one you unlock as well, which is awesome. Oh, rewind's doing it. Guys, leave a comment if you actually want a video of him. I can do dual commentary. It'd be pretty awesome, that one. And we want to tank. Rewind gets a lot of nukes. Just saying. Oh, come on, this is going to be last second defuse. Yes, guys. They just cannot stop YouTubing. Looks like we want to snipe him. Also guys, if you want a virtual kill cam, I can do that on MW2. A lot of people always ask for that. And if you want it, you can leave a comment. I did have one recorded, but I didn't know if you wanted it or not, and then deleted it. So, so guys, just leave a comment down below if you'd like a virtual kill cam. If I ever do get a comment, I'll be happy. Read where that is. Looks like he's set that turret up in a perfect spot. So I'm gonna switch to the G18 Kimbo's and doesn't get a kill. That's unfortunate for me. I know my team's got A covered, which is good. Looks like someone's trying to see through today. Scavenger's brilliant perk, by the way, guys. So perk, like, run over dead body, pick up round C4, or run over enemy body. Death Streak is final stand. I'm actually hard break. Looks like they're going on full attack. No matter spawn positions on this game, everyone says they're rubbish. Sometimes they are, sometimes not. That was a brilliant spawn position. Guys, if you like more M4A1 or any other gun gameplay, I haven't got them all. Haven't got all the attachments though. Got the double, got the triple. Hopefully someone on our team will destroy that. Chop the gunner. Wait for this guy to run out. I may have to switch classes, guys. Looks like this guy, Travis Miller, or whatever his name may be, is trying to take that chopper down. And he's not getting that. Luckily I still spawned where I did. Otherwise they could have had that bomb, taken our team down, and got that brilliant spawn position which you do when you take the team down and you've got a bomb planted. Little drop shot there, somehow got a headshot. C4, I would recommend it if you're going MLG, because it's such an amazing grenade type. Like I did earlier, got a triple of that. The only thing, because I'm playing Team Track, the only thing that you can actually get is a quad, and that would most likely you'd have to run to their spawn or get lucky with having all of them on the top. Accidentally press A instead of B there. Pull out them, or gonna pull out them BT-18 there. Looks like they've got us in a spawn trap. Somehow you always get a headshot with this weapon. Shot that C4, let's see where it lands. Dead centre. Where they're spawn. Oh, Ghosts got them cavies there, that's going to help them a lot. Damn, headshot again. That's crazy. Guys, look, 58. That's pretty crazy. And switch them G18s on what is this? Looks like we have won this round, so this is going to be a tiebreaker, guys. This may have to be split into two halves. YouTube, when we go over time. I think we may be attacking, so we may lose because the other team have got a strong attacking team. Rewind's going to be blasting them, intervention bullets into their heads if he's still using it. Yes, he is. Looks like we're on the attacking side then, guys. Going to run straight to A. Get this plan, hopefully. No. I would recommend you always go for A in Demolition on Rust, because if you go for B first, it is an absolute devil to get to, guys. They've got the spawn trap. Looks like Ghost is actually getting the chopper gunner. Looks like I'm going to plant here. Oh, camping in that little hiding hole. Looks like they're all underground. Gonna take out this guy. Thought his name was Jamie X Elite. Gonna be famous using that one. Oh, look at Ghost. Think he's gonna get his nuke. Guys, look at that. Kill streak. Awesome spawn trap. Oh, good, guys. That is immensely good. Gonna bust open the triple, guys. Look at that, mate. Oh, nearly had the quad. That would have been amazing. Gonna bust out this guy. Oh, guys. Diffused A. I didn't see how they did it then. Gonna plant B. Just gonna plant the C4 on that. Get up here and reload my weapons. Can't believe that, guys. Nearly had that triple. Guys, leave a like for that. 2 triples in one game. That is pretty amazing, guys. Damn it. Can't let them get B. Oh, C4 didn't go off. Damn it, looks like we are actually going to lose B if I can't get the C4. Oh, damn it. Let it go too early. That is unlucky. Gonna go for the B plant again now. I'm not gonna let them. Gonna try as hard as I can. That's what she said, but still. That's as many. Please say comments if you would like. And he got the nuke, guys. Guys, he got the nuke. That is pretty amazing there. This looks like it's going to have to split into 2 halves. Get that nuke kill streak. No. Get that nuke kill. I mean, guys. Looks like this is going to be split into 2 halves. So this will be obviously the second part. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, it would be amazing. And leave a like. Maybe a comment and subscribe if you would. Overall 72 kills to 68. Got a new title, new camo on the M4A1. So yeah, guys, leave a like for them. 2 triples, amazing spawn shots, guys. Yeah, guys, see you in the next video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos. Yeah, that would be awesome, guys, if you would subscribe. And see you in the next video.